Today we will be talking about blood.
On the surface, all our blood looks the same, but we're about to show you how a microscopic disparity can cause a world of difference. This is Blood Types 101. There are 4 blood types, A, B, AB, and O. But what's the difference between them? Little molecular identifiers found on the outside of the blood cell called antigens. These antigens are specific to each blood type. Type A blood has A antigens. Type B blood has B antigens. AB blood has both A and B antigens. And type O doesn't have any antigens. The antigens help the blood cell to identify other like cells, but also to identify foreign blood cells. Blood cells produce antibodies, proteins that attack foreign cells. The type of antibodies produced is opposite to the type of antigen the cell possesses. For example, type A blood cells produce type B antibodies that attack blood cells with B antigens. The idea of different blood types was theorized by Karl Landsteiner. He identified 2 separate blood groups by observing blood transfusions. Janský was the one to divide the blood into the 4 groups we know today. Because of the antibodies blood produces, it is important what type of blood are mixed during blood transfusions. A types can donate to type A and type AB. B types can donate to type B and type AB. AB types can only donate to other AB types. O types can donate to all 4 of the blood types, thus called the universal donor. Because AB types can receive any type of blood, they're called the universal receivers. If incompatible blood types are mixed, the host blood will reject the donor blood, resulting in the person's death. As well as different blood antigens, there is another factor that distinguishes different types of blood, called the Rh factor. Blood can be either Rh positive or Rh negative. If it is positive, the cell possesses Rh antigens along with its regular blood antigens. Rh negative blood initially does not produce Rh antibodies. Once exposed to Rh positive blood, it will begin to produce antibodies to attack the foreign cells. This especially becomes a problem during pregnancies, where the mother is Rh negative, carrying an Rh positive baby. With her first pregnancy, it won't be a problem, because that's her body's first exposure to the Rh factor. However, if her second baby is also Rh positive, her newly formed antibodies will attack the fetus. So how is your blood type determined? Blood type is hereditary, and like all traits, some are dominant over others. A and B are dominant over O, but A and B are codominant. O is the recessive allele. A blood can have either 2 A alleles or an A and O allele. B blood can have either 2 B alleles or a B and O allele. AB blood can have only an A and B allele. O blood can have only 2 O alleles. Here's how to find out what your blood type is, or how to find out if you're adopted. Consider the following. One of your parents has AB blood and the other has O blood. You'd receive an allele from each parent, giving you a 50% chance of having type A blood and a 50% chance of having type B blood. If you have neither of those, congratulations, you're adopted.
The end.